Assalamu alaikum, pyare Hazur.
Waalaikum assalam.
My name is Namra Chaudhry, and my question is, I get a lot of non-Muslim people asking me why this Ahmadi girl is not wearing a headscarf to school. How can I encourage her to wear it?
You see, you can simply tell them, according to the teaching of the Islam, when a girl reaches the age of maturity, and then they should wear scarf. If somebody is not following that commandment of Allah Ta'ala, which is clearly mentioned in the Holy Quran, then that is up to her. There are quite a number of non-Ahmadi girls as well who do not wear scarf, right? If you collect the data and find out the percentage, then I think Ahmadi girls wearing scarves will be more than the non-Ahmadi girls wearing scarf. With regard, as far as their proportional ratio, the ratio of their number is concerned. Proportionately, Ahmadi girls wear scarf more than those who are not Ahmadis. So, but there is quite a number of commandments which you do not follow. That does not mean that your religion permits you to do that. That means you are not following the teaching of your religion. So you can simply tell them, their faith is with them. As far as I am concerned, I believe that this is the wearing scarf and doing hijab and wearing a modest dress is the injunction and commandment of Allah Ta'ala. And I am following that. If somebody does not do it, that is up to her, and that is between her and her God, Allah Ta'ala. Okay?
Ji, Jazakallah.